excited ako sa isa na namang leg ng 24SG US Tour. So far, I did 2 concerts, one in San Francisco, California, and one in Phoenix, Arizona. I am so happy because everything went smoothly. What made the show in Phoenix extra special was nakapag-relax kami ng konti and nakapasyal around Arizona.
Hello guys! Nandito kami sa Pinoy's Bistro. We had lunch. Actually brunch para sa amin. Late na kami nakagising. Tapos merong konting meet and greet. Yung mga supporters natin. So, nag-lunch kami sa Pinoy's Bistro. Naalala ko, favorite nila yung munggo. Masarap! Masarap nga, masarap.
One, two, three. You know, she's just so beautiful. I couldn't believe that I was standing next to her, and I took a picture with her. So it was a precious moment.
So, ayun. After noon, nagpunta kami sa Tanger. So, nag-ikot-ikot lang ng konti. Ayun, naghanap ng damit. Ganyan.
Outlet time. Siyempre para yung mga outlet ng aming mga re-rehearse at perform ang outlet ng lahat ng ito ay mga outlet. At medyo sana kasama namin yung araw na ito ang mga konsyensya para hindi masyadong mapagastang bonggang. So, kailangan na discipline.
Come and visit us.
Yeah, indeed.
Well, and see, now you brought all your friends, so everybody come and have a good
Yeah.
time, right? Love our leather.
Love your colors.
Yeah, look at our colors.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, you better get rid.
You know, sa edad niya ngayon, parang bihira ka makakita na napakagaling. I mean, as a model, as her age, no? Gusto ko siyang ipaalala sa mga bata. She could be one of a really good model. Kahit sa edad ko, na-inspire ako sa kanya.
think that's the first thing they say. Freshman, acting school. My teacher in the Philippines, went to GR as a freshman.
Sarah, ano sa'yo?
Tapos na namin mag-dinner dito sa PF Chang's China Bistro. Hostess namin si Miss Jennifer and Miss Gigi. Thank you for the wonderful dinner and of course sa mga kababayan po natin dito sa Arizona. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sponsors. Bye!
Once we have another chance, next, US tour, why not? We'll do it again.
Hopefully this time, more people will come out. I know a lot of people missed out on it due to the holiday weekend, but hopefully next time more people will come out and enjoy her show.
My stay in Arizona was short but sweet. I will always remember it kasi first time kong makapunta in that part of the US. From there, we moved to our next destination, South California. We had an early flight to Orange County and then we went on a road trip to San Diego.
Hello guys! Nakaland lang natin sa Orange County. Ayan. Tapos, after nito, meron pa mga promo stops kaya tayo. Next day, promo ulit. Tapos, June 1, ang concert namin sa San Diego. Tapos, last show, LA.
Well, there's something in Sarah na hindi mo ma-explain. Talagang, para bagang napapalapit siya sa'yo. Napakabait kasi, hindi ko alam, basta it's unspoken. You could just feel it.
Galing po kami ng LA, Anaheim. Travel kami by land. Punta dito sa San Diego. Dito po kami naka-stay sa Navy Lodge. At June 1 po yung show namin dito sa Balboa Theater.
Kyle. Show Sarah how to dance.
Hey, yeah. Sure. Watch this. No. This is the boy. Now you hold her hand. Okay, boy.
She's really nice. And she's really good at singing.
Thank you for having me here, and I hope to see your concert. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Imbitahan kami ni Dr. Vitug for dinner. Yan, si Dr. Vitug, isa din sa mga talagang supportive at mababait na ilan sa mga sponsors namin sa San Diego. Bait-bait ng pamilyang Vitug kay Dr. Vitug. So, nag-dinner kami, nagluto sila.
Simula bata pa, nung nag-sponsor na ako sa kanya kasi sa lahat ng ng artista, sa singer, okay, lang siya, humble, tapos talagang crush na crush ko si Sarah. Iyak masaya nung family ko. Kahit nung anak kong 12 years old, magti 12 years old siya this coming August, simula bata talagang hangang-hanga na yun. For Sarah, they keep us sweet as you are. Okay? Alam kong magaling ka na, so continue do your best, okay? Ibigay mo nung lahat para sa fans mo, saka huwag kang magbabago.
Ito na, kumain na kami. Tapos na. Bye.
Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako pag merong meet and greet portion ang mga concert tours ko, lalo na kapag nasa ibang bansa. It's my way para maipadama ko sa fans and supporters ko ang appreciation ko sa lahat ng pagmamahal na patuloy nilang ibinubuhos sa akin. Nakakatuwa na makita ko silang lahat. The following day, it was showtime in San Diego.
Hello guys, dito kami sa Anchor Skating and Conference Center para sa promo namin, ang show namin tomorrow here in San Diego, produced by SP3J Productions, headed by Miss Tita Edel. Kita-kita po tayo dyan tomorrow sa Balboa Theater, and the next day, concert po namin sa San Diego. Sa LA, producer po namin si Tito Alzu. Promo kami sa Anchor Catering. Tapos, nandun na-meet namin yung anak ng producer namin, si Tita Edel. Siya din yung parang naging pamilya na rin, si Tita Edel. Siya yung unang producer namin sa San Diego. So, yan, sila ni Tito Al, ni Tita Edel. Yan, kilalang kilala na namin sila.
This is the first time for the meet and greet, but all her concert, lahat pinanood namin. Ever since na nag-concert siya from, saan ba yun? The other side, the one in Beverly, the one in Anaheim, lahat pinanood namin.
Of course, ang guest po namin sa Balboa show namin, Balboa Theater show namin, si Miss Liza Manalo, Mateo Guidicelli, and Mr. John Santos.
Ngayon lang ako nakapagpa-picture kasama siya. Kaya masaya. Bali, first time dito sa meet and greet, pero napanood ko na siya sa Pechanga last September 17, last year.
Ako, pwede?
Going up. Stop. Coming in slightly.
Ang mga pangarap ko'y kahirap abutin.
Okay. Good. For Sarah, we're doing good for Sarah.
Alright, God bless our show here in San Diego, dito sa Balboa Theater. San Diego, natandaan ko, better siya. Better, much better. Pati tingin ko, pati sa crowd, yung audience, mas mas energetic din sila at ayun, kumbaga mas na-condition talaga ako nung gabi yun at yun, so.
Actually, ang sarap ng feeling kapag nagpe-perform ka sa theater kasi wala tayong ganun. Yung parang feeling mo yung, na-feel mo yung stage na tinatakpakan ng mga theater actors. Kasi pag nakita mo, parang wow, sobrang class. Yung mga chairs pataas. Kumbaga, lahat ng tao kita kayo. Yung mga nasa baba, nasa taas. Kumbaga, nakikita nila lahat ng nangyayari.
This leg of our tour was made more memorable by the participation of some special guests, mga singers who are based in San Diego. Ang gagaling nila, nakakabilib talaga ang mga Pinoy. Kahit saan sa mundo, maraming talent na hindi pwedeng maitago. And I'm happy that my show became a venue to showcase that.
Threw my hands in the air, I stand strong as only. He said, if you dare, don't live closer.
I was just really excited to be part of something so big, so spectacular, and be surrounded by so much talent like Sarah and Mateo and John Santos. I'm just blown away, and I just feel super.
Tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, no. Not really sure how you
Ang bonggang-bongga ang concert mo. Kahit ito sa United States. Masasama nito. Pag hindi natupad ang iyong mga wishes, kung magtatampo ang mga pop stars of the United States, dahil kayo mga nandito sa San Diego, medyo nahuli ako, hindi ko inabutan ang iyong opening na.
It's really funny, you know, you forget about the stress. You know, every time you hear the joke, it's funny.
Plano lang ako. Pagdating ko pa sa labas, pinauwi ako. Bukas parang ang marathon. Akala pang marathon costume ang akin sa excuse me. Ako ay very gay mothers.
Oh, he's funny. He's funny guy. He's a good and funny guy. Awesome.
Birit kong birit. Impress me! Amazing Lobsters! Sing, Sarah! Sing!
Since nung bata pa ako, hindi ako basta mahilig sa mga artista eh. Pero nakatapos ako ng 2 kurso, pero ngayon lang ako humanga ng ganito sa isang artista. Kaya ngayon, bata rin ako ngayon.
Let's go, Mami.
Sarah, she's love, happiness, she's caring, and she's just Sarah.
Bye.
As long as it's Sarah related, Popstars will always be there for her, and I'm one of them.
Nakakakilig. Ang sweet nilang dalawa.
Parang kailan lang halos ako ay magpanusan dahil sa iyo ang aking tiyanan ng busoy kalaman. Kaya itong awitin na nililapit nais ko kayo.
She's great. I saw her when we went to the Philippines at ASAP, and she's really great. She's my favorite, and I love her.
Oh, she's very, of course, very talented. She can do everything, sing, dance, act, and everything. She conquers all. She's on the top of everything. You can't deny about it. So, why won't I like her or idolize her? When I was back in Philippines, wala akong gustong or in-idolize na artista. Tapos, when I came here, tapos nakita ko siya. And yun nga, sobrang galing niya. So, yun. Nagustuhan ko na siya.
Tapos, si Ryder
I think since we've been producing Sarah since last 7 years, it's incredible how much she has become such an incredible performer. It was a wonderful show, and we're very grateful for Viva as usual, and for Sarah and family. Everybody was great.
Ang galing niya talagang kumanta eh. Again, talagang love na love si Sarah.
Okay guys, it's our 3rd show, San Diego. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa show.
Yes, thank you to all the popsters at lahat ng mga Pinoys dito sa sa San Diego na nagpunta pa para mapanood yung show. And nag-enjoy kami kasi ang taas ng energy, especially yung mga audience at yung artists na sila Sarah, sila Matt, sila Sir John. Ang saya, masaya itong last na namin tomorrow. Yes.
Yan, kaya mga LA people, okay, see you tomorrow. Get ready for the energy of the 24SG group.
Nakukuha ako kasi hindi na kumain ako kumain. Natatapos na ang show namin dito sa San Diego. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood dito sa Bangkok Theater. Sa producer namin dito, Edel Advina, sa lahat ng volunteers, popsters, maraming salamat. Tomorrow, LA!
I had a blast during my 24SG US Tour San Diego leg. Sobrang laki ng pasasalamat ko sa lahat ng mga taong nanood. Sa dami ng mga Pinoy sa California, di na ako nagulat sa very warm welcome nila for me and my entire entourage. This is it for now. Next week na ang exciting last leg ng 24SG US Tour in Los Angeles. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.